Welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some vintage inspired cottage decor ideas. Let's take a look. Vintage inspired cottage decor is a charming blend of nostalgia, coziness, and natural beauty. A style that captures the heart of simpler times while staying timeless and soulful. It's all about creating a home that feels warm, storied, and lovingly collected over generations. Here are some detailed tips to make your vintage-inspired cottage decor feel even more magical, soulful, and authentic. Bring nature indoors. Nature is the heart of every cottage. Use botanical prints, pressed flowers, and potted herbs on windowsills. Decorate with wreaths, wooden bowls, and hand-woven baskets. Natural elements make the room feel fresh, grounded, and timeless. Soft patterns and romantic prints. Patterns should feel gentle and nostalgic. Florals, gingham, tall, faded stripes, and teeny polka dots. Use them in curtains, cushions, or bedding, and mix them softly. Handcrafted touches add personal, handmade beauty. Crochet table runners, lace trolleys, and embroidered pillow covers. Hand-painted signs with cozy words like "Welcome home" or "Gather." Mirror magic. Mirrors make small cottage rooms feel airy and bright. Use antique or distressed frames. Place them to reflect light or flowers. Hunt for treasures, not trends. Visit flea markets, antique shops, and thrift stores for items with patina and personality. Look for chipped animal pictures, floral china, weathered picture frames, or old baskets. The secret: choose pieces that whisper nostalgia rather than scream perfection. The charm is in the imperfection and its own beauty. Celebrate craftsmanship. Display handmade coils, embroidered linens, or crochet tablecloths. Use vintage sewing tools, thread spools, or lace ribbons as tiny decorative accents. Add subtle time-worn details. Rub edges of painted furniture lightly with sandpaper for a faded look. Replace nude knobs with porcelain or glass vintage handles. Use antique-style hinges and edged metal hooks for charm. Gentle floral romance. Mix fresh flowers with dried stems like roses, baby's breath, and lavender. Use floral wallpaper or fabric panels on one accent wall. Display pressed flowers in old frames for a nostalgic botanical touch. Florals should feel dreamy and slightly faded, like an old love letter. Turn daily life into art. Hang aprons and straw hats on decorative hooks. Display folded linens and towels in open shelves. Place bread in a wicker basket or fruit in an animal bowl on the counter. Use natural materials. Prefer wood, linen, rattan, wool, and clay over plastic or metal. Mix unfinished wood with painted furniture for a rustic balance. Use ceramic lamps and oven shades to enhance organic warmth. Tell a story through decor. Frame vintage letters, family recipes, or old postcards. Use old suitcases as side tables. Let each object carry a whisper of the past. Mirrors with personality. Use distressed, gilded, or ornate frames instead of modern plain mirrors. Place mirrors opposite windows to reflect natural light and greenery. Smaller mirrors grouped together create a charming vintage gallery effect. Rustic wooden elements. Use reclaimed wood for shelves, side tables, or mantelpiece. Wooden crates or boxes can act as storage or display areas. Vintage clocks and timepieces. Hang an antique wall clock or tabletop clock with a patina finish. Display everyday items elegantly. Arrange teacups, plates, and jars on open shelving. Stack cookbooks with ribbon or lace ties in the kitchen or reading nook. Wicker baskets for blankets, firewood, or flowers make functional items decorative. Soft window treatments use light, airy curtains in lace, linen, or soft floral prints. Tiebacks in ribbon, crochet, or brush hooks add romantic detail. Vintage-inspired art, botanical prints, old maps, watercolor landscapes, or vintage postcards. Candlelight and soft glow. Use candles in jars, vintage holders, or animal trays. Combine real and LED candles for practicality and ambience. Place a few candles on a mantel, coffee table, or windowsill for warmth. Furniture with stories. Look for chairs, dressers, or tables with history, scratches, and wear and charm. Mix painted furniture with raw wood pieces. Use slip covered in linen or floral cotton for flexibility and softness. Small seasonal changes keep your vintage cottage alive and connected to nature. Layered rugs. Mixed rugs of different textures, sizes, and patterns. Layering adds depth and a sense of collected charm. Antique or vintage containers. Use old animal parts, milk cans, or wooden boxes as decor or planters. Stick vintage tins or jars for kitchen storage or display. Vintage soft furnishings, crochet or knitted drawers draped over chairs or sofas. Nature and botanical decor. Display dried flowers in clusters, ceramic vases or teacups. Thanks for watching the video.